Guys, how's it going? Now, when we talk about text editors for Windows, a lot of guys are surprisingly still using just Notepad or WordPad or even Microsoft Word. And honestly, that's just wrong. Now, whether you're a writer or a dedicated programmer, you should be using a robust text editor that enhances your productivity and does not limit you. Well, in today's video, we will be taking a look at some of the best text editors and writing software for Windows that are in use for programming, coding, or just simple distraction-free writing to just get into the zone. So without wasting any time, this is Vern from Guiding Tech, and let's get started. Alright, so kicking things off, if you're a programmer or a coder, the software that you have to check out is Microsoft's Visual Studio Code. Now, it's a software that I forgot to mention in our previous video, and a lot of you guys were very right to point it out. Fair credit where it's due. It was my genuine mistake. It's an app that is super easy to recommend, and pretty much every programmer or coder should try it out. I mean, the app has pretty much it all. There's a neat and clean UI, and there's also a Zen mode which removes all menus and items that don't involve your editor. The highlight is the IntelliSense feature, which takes syntax highlighting and auto-completion to the next level with the help of smart completions based on function definitions and other items such as variable types. And of course, the fact that this is a completely free text editor with open source access and a large collection of extensions makes it super easy to recommend. Now moving on, we don't usually associate Adobe as a brand for text editors, but they do offer Brackets, which is a text editor for those who are working on designing websites. This is a free open source text editor with some appealing visual tools for previewing your work and allowing for front-end developers to examine their changes. Writing code is the main focus in Brackets, and it's done with the help of inline editors, live previews, and nicely organized files. The interface is fairly simple, but the text editor has a wide range of features for you to play around with. In addition, the developers are able to upload their own extensions via GitHub. Next up, if you want a more simple yet modern text editor, Atom should be right up your alley. Now, Atom offers an amazing user experience and has the ability of auto-completion, file system browser, multiple panes, and much more. It has multiple keyboard shortcuts too for quick editing. It's also open source with a wide community that not only assists you, but also helps you with plenty of plugins. It's arguably much easier for noobs to get into as well. Now, while Atom remains super easy to use, still one of the more go-to recommendations out there for text editors is Sublime Text Editor, and well, for good reasons too. Sublime Text focuses on features rather than looks, bringing you the experience of an IDE without being as heavy. Now, it has a command palette for easy accessibility to snippets, settings, and much more. It also gives you access to multi-line editing and selection. Add to that a whole library of plugins that you can use to fully customize your experience. Alright, so maybe you're like me who does not program or code that much nowadays. But I do a lot of tinkering with my Windows files, to just customize the experience. We have to interact with a lot of NFO files and stuff like that. And the stock Notepad app just does not cut it. You need something a bit more robust. And that's where Notepad++ comes in. In fact, it is one of the most versatile text editors out there without being too heavy on the resources. In terms of UI, it looks like the vanilla Notepad, but way more upgraded. This UI actually attracts a lot of users towards it, and is another reason why Notepad++ is probably the most common software on this list. It's also really fast and lightweight, and there are lots of other plugins available for you to try out as well. Now, programming and coding is one thing, but there are a lot of writers out there, who are just like me working on scripts, or maybe just writers who are working on articles or stories, and they just need a distraction-free tool to help them with their writing needs, right? Well, the best one that I can personally recommend to you guys is WriteMonkey. WriteMonkey is as minimal as it gets. You have a super clean interface to eliminate all sorts of distractions, and all the features that you want can be accessed via keyboard shortcuts. The software comes with support for Markdown, Markdown Extra, and Textile, along with the ability to customize your colors, fonts, text sizes, page layout, and add any elements that you want. You also get autosave and spell check, plus the fact that the whole software is super portable too. Now, if you're not a fan of all those shortcuts and would rather prefer a writer with a ribbon at the top to easy access to all the features, well, check out Focuswriter. It's a full screen writer with plenty of themes and a whole lot of features available in the format drop-down menu. It offers a plethora of text formatting options, along with the support for currency icons and more. Now, while I personally prefer WriteMonkey over this, I can totally see the appeal for a lot of folks preferring Focuswriter, simply because it offers a bunch of extra features in its arsenal. And well, that was it. As always, you can find the download links to all of the apps that we talked about down in the description box. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Juan from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.